Well, hey there, it's Catherine from Catherine Pooler Designs. Several times a year, we come out with new ink colors. We have over 100 in our line. They are separated into several different color families. So we have metallics, we have neutrals, we have our party collection, which are vibrant, highly saturated colors that just are right into party. And then we have our spa line. These are very beautiful shades with a muted undertone, and they're very sophisticated and perfect for vintage, masculine cards. Well, all kinds of cards, really. And if you're like me, paper crafters love new colors to play with. We're always finding we have spots in our color wheel that we want filled in. And so several times a year here at Catherine Pooler Designs, we add in new colors to the line. So,
let's say hello to Goldenrod and Verbena.
Spa collection.
Say hello to Goldenrod and Verbena, available June 19th.
So let's start out with our yellows. First off, we have Whipped Honey, Shea Butter, Goldenrod. You can find them in the large full-size ink pad as well as the minis. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use the minis because it's really easy to just do a little dab on cardstock to just give you an idea of what that color looks like. So there is Whipped Honey, here is Shea Butter, and let's check out Goldenrod. Our new beautiful golden kind of mustardy shade of yellow. She's a beauty. Let's see how it compares to our other colors. So next door to the yellows, we have the orange yellows, and that will be Sauna. So that is the darkest and only orange yellow that we have right now. And with just a little swipe on the paper here, you can see how much more orange this one is than Goldenrod. And then the neighbor to the right is our yellow greens. So let's take a look at those. Here is lemongrass with an olive, green tea, and eucalyptus. You can see how you're going to need all of these colors in your arsenal, am I right? Then let's take a look at our party collection. So the sisters to Whipped Honey, Shea Butter, and Goldenrod are Lemon Sorbet, Chiffon, Limoncello, and Glitz. So let's take a look at those. So we have Glitz. Wow. See how vibrant that is? These colors here, the spa colors, they look vibrant until you put them next to a party color, and then you can see how muted those undertones are without being muddy. We work really hard here at Catherine Pooler Designs to make colors with that muted undertone without looking muddy. Painstakingly, I'm telling you. So, I think these are supposed to be the other way. So it was supposed to be Lemon Sorbet is the lightest, Chiffon, Limoncello, Glitz. So these two would be reversed. So there is a look. How gorgeous. Okay, so that's yellow. We are going to go straight across. Complementary color to yellow is violet. So joining our violet spa line is Verbena. So our lightest is lilac. Our darkest is royal treatment. This is a great color. Our darkest colors are really fantastic for when you need a dark color, but you don't need black and you want it to coordinate with your project. Oh, I have a juicy pad here, y'all. If your pad is too juicy when you first get it, just take it and dab it off on scratch paper a few times, and then you'll be good to go. But save this because you are going to want to die cut flowers or sentiments or anything like that with it. Let's jump right into the party colors and see how the party violets, which are right here, 16 Candles, Pixie Dust, and Grape Crush. Speaking of 16 Candles, my 80s, teenagers from the 80s, have you guys seen the Brat Pack movie yet? Just saw that. Brought back a lot of memories. What a great era that was. Okay, so you can see the undertone difference between those colors. It is pretty striking. So our violets, let's look next door to our red violets. And we're gonna go sparkling berry, sugared lavender, and sangria. So these are our red violets. And if we jump over one to the left, we get our blue violets, serene, crushed violet, queen for a day. And all of these colors are currently in our shop with the exception, oh, again, I did them wrong. So queen for a day is the darkest, crushed violet is the middle, and serene. So let me do that again real quick. So our new colors are hitting the shop on June 19th. You can grab the full-size ink pad, the ink refill, the side labels, as well as the full-size ink pad and mini. So we hope you are as excited as we are to add these to the Catherine Pooler Designs collection. Let us know if you have any questions. You can leave a comment below on the video or email us at support@catherinepooler.com, and we will see you again. Have a crafty day, everyone.